Hello, we've got a faulty Mitsubishi elevator drive board here. Check the error codes first. It was showing a ton of different fault codes. Typical stuff popping up. 3-phase drive faults. Individual phase faults. Temperature faults. Basically every drive-related error under the sun. With that many codes firing, it's impossible to pinpoint the exact root cause just from the list. Time to ignore the codes and get hands-on. I check the board's power supplies first. Something's clearly wrong downstream. Checked here, no short. Checked there, no short. Then I checked the 5V rail. This is critical, it power the chip. Found a dead short on the 5V line. That ain't right. That short has to mean the main control chip itself is fried and shorted internally. Rechecked the 5V rail. No short anymore. Confirmed the chip was the culprit. Soldered in a brand new replacement chip. Applied power to the drive board. Flashed the firmware back onto the board. Installed the drive board back in the elevator for test. Result: perfect. Elevator running smoothly. Drive board successfully repaired. Hope this walkthrough helps. If anything wasn't clear, feel free to ask.